In the open forums we've held, we have received great feedback and ideas on things we can do to make a difference. What can Extra Space do to impact change and support racial equality and social justice?
I'd like to see a minority in leadership.
I also agree with you, Jay. Seeing a Black person in leadership would be great for the company. But I do want to say our company has moved swiftly in making women executives in leadership. And it's clear that changes have started to happen, right? But we can also use more changes. And with that, I think it's important that we understand that it's not going to happen overnight, but we definitely have to have the conversation. I think we can definitely stride and make positive strides for it to happen.
I think as a large company and a leader in our industry, Extra Space Storage has a responsibility, I believe, when some type of injustice is happening, we need to stand for what we think is right. George Floyd could have been any one of our employees or a family member of our employees. I think as a diverse company that has diverse customers, when social injustice happen, our voice can be a little bit louder, much louder than a smaller entity. So I believe that Extra Space Storage should look at what's right and kind of step forward a little bit as well.
One way that we could do this internally, we could consciously support diversity or encourage diversity, small ways through communications, with hearing from our leadership, things of that sort. We could even be strategic with our hiring and our staffing as well. There's tons of ways that we can do it, but it's important that we know up front that making these changes could be uncomfortable, and we have to be okay with that uncomfort.
Well, I want to thank you all for participating today, having the courage to speak your minds openly, and to remind all of us of the importance of listening to each other, having uncomfortable conversations, and being honest and empathetic.